Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. We would like to welcome you to the Light the World Giving Machine launch here in Ayala Malls, Trinoma, Quezon City.
We at Trinoma are honored to have been chosen as the venue partner once again for this wonderful and most charitable endeavor.
Bendo Machine. So special kasi for us Caritas Manila, we always honor the intention of the donor. Kung saan gustong ilagay ng donor yung kanilang tulong. Pero ang ganda doon, pwede mo tulungan yung bata tungkol sa libro, sa loan allowance nila. Kaya yung Bendo Machine is so effective for us hindi na mahirapan kung saan ilalagay yung donation.
Enjoying everybody to participate in lighting the world and to continue being a hero to our heroes' children.
Be our hero to our heroes' children and support the Light the World Giving Machine.
For sure, some of the donations coming from Light of the World has helped in one way or another na itong ating mga scholar ay may padala.
It's not only about giving, it's about blessing others as well as they're blessed, which reminds me of a scripture that whenever you are in the service of your fellow beings, ye are only in the service of your God.
Today we are celebrating the spirit of love, giving, brotherhood, and the opportunity to make a difference in the lives of others.
So let's proceed to the best part and the purpose of why we're here, and that is the unveiling.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the Light the World Giving Machines.
So in 2022, the Light the World Giving Machines raised over $7 million worldwide to help the people in need. That is amazing.
Yeah, compared to what we give is nothing, almost nothing for compared $7 million. But because of this small amount of the getting and giving, we receive great blessing and abundant blessing.
Why can't we be generous as Jesus gave, as He did? No, if Jesus gave, why not tayo din? Especially this Christmas, no, para lahat tayo masaya ngayong Pasko. And hindi lang tayo yung nabe-bless, di ba? We're being a blessing to everybody.
We believe the mission that Jesus Christ would do if He were here. He would help the lame to walk. He would help the blind to see. And He would definitely want the children to smile. Together, we can light the world.
At saka yung tatanggap, hindi nila po kung sino nagbigay, baka ang gagawin nila, magpapasalamat sa Diyos at sabihin lang, ay bless niyo po yung mga nagbigay nito.
I just hope that a lot of people my age, teens and children, will be interested in going to these Light the World Giving Machines, because this will really leave an impact to a lot of people's lives, and it will really help a lot of people who need our help.
My kids would love it. I would probably bring them here. After watching a movie, just can go there and show them that every little cent that they give out, they're helping somebody. It's a good way to train them as young as they are. And it's fun as well.
Oh, Filipinos, you are sharing people. No matter how much you have, no matter how little you have, you always share. It's a beautiful culture. We love it and we learn from Filipinos. Thank you very much.